Hello, dividend executives. It is Monday, so you already know we are trading options. We are jumping into the account. We're going to check out our plays from last week that all expired worthless, and we are going to open up some new plays. So let's jump right into it. Let's get a couple of options, and you know I have to go with my favorite, Mara. And we are going to trade options, and we are going to collect some income right off the bat on open today. So let's jump down here. I did look at maybe doing a $9 put, trying to get a sign, but I'm going to play a little bit safer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do one at the 8.5 and probably two at the 8. The goal every single week is at least $25, so this will hit that goal. So we're going to do one here. And well, nice. We got a $16 credit there. And then we're going to come back and we're going to do two more. And we're going to go here and we're going to go two. And let's just see if we, because we're not... see if we can get an 8. So the bid ask, as you probably saw, was 0.07. Yeah, so it's changed now. It was 0.07 to 0.09, so we wanted to see maybe if we could squeeze in a higher credit there. But it all depends on how the stock's doing. If the stock's down for the day, I'm going to leave this open just for a minute and see if we can get a fill, and we will go over our plays from last week. If we come, actually, let me jump back into Mara. So we had three open positions last week, all under Mara, and they all expired worthless. So let's go take a look at those and see what income we collected as for last week. Just to show more here. Boom. So you can see the two from last week. We had the Mara put at the $9 strike. That was a $21 credit. That expired worthless. And then we had two at the 8.5. Quantity 2, you can see there. We got paid 10 for each of those, and that was a $20 credit. So we made $41. It looks like this maybe just filled as well. For that 16, it sure did. Nice. So that just filled as well. So we love to see that. So if you are new here, let me just explain what we're doing here. This is a traditional IRA that I started with about $1,850. We added a little bit of buying power. You can see we added 400 just so we could afford a little bit more as Mara has run up in price and some of the other stocks have run up in price. And so my goal here on this account is $100 a month in passive income. It takes me about 5 minutes a week to do this, and what I do is I sell cash secured puts. Depending on the stock and depending on the volatility in the stock, I'll sell pretty safe deltas on most things. If we look at this $8 put on Mara, for example, you can see here that the delta is 0.13, and so the chance of me getting a sign on this is pretty low unless the stock really had a sell off. And in that sense, what we would do is we'd take the stock that we got assigned and we would sell the call the next week. So we got three open plays. We got paid $16 for this one right here. And then as you saw on this one right here, it's actually gone, it's paying even more now. But we got paid $16 there. So not bad start to the day. We got $32. And again, my goal is $100 a month of passive dividend income. So in order to do that, I need to make roughly $25 a week. And we have been able to do that. If we look at the account, today is pretty much flat over the past week, up $145. That's weird. Robinhood may be glitching out. Over the last month, we're up about 5%. Over the last 3 months, we're about 15%. And year to date, just about 17%. So this account has been going really well. I haven't been assigned yet. I've sold cash secured puts on some of these smaller cap funds. Pretty much every single week, and they have all expired worthless, and we have made $388 of income before today, so not a bad return on our money. And I'm just going to continue to keep doing this until the account grows a little bit bigger and I can get into some of the bigger funds. We've talked about it a little bit before. One of the funds that I would like to be able to trade on eventually is TQQQ, which is off the NASDAQ 100, but as you can see, this is a $37 stock right now, so it's going to take some time to be able to get enough capital to get into this one. QQQ is one of my favorite funds on my bigger accounts, and so as a goal, I try to get towards the TQQQ, but we're just going to keep adding on it and doing what's working for us. I love Bitcoin, and I love the Bitcoin mining stock, so just going to continue to hit those each and every single week. So really happy with how the account is. Like I said, 388 before today, so we passed the $400 mark in the account. And we are just going to keep building. I keep it very, very simple, just selling single leg cash secure puts And so far, it's been working really well. So if you have any questions, if you have any stocks you think I should throw in here, feel free to throw them in the comments. Appreciate all the support. I know a bunch of people from Twitter have been coming over here and showing some love and appreciation. So thanks everybody for the support there. Gonna keep on with this journey, and I'm gonna keep on adding to the account each and every week and just showing how to trade a smaller account. So happy investing, everybody. We'll talk to you later. See you later.